Never get on stage and embarrass me the way you did today. You are not made for public speaking.
Such were the shattering words of an infuriated father when his son screwed up his first public speaking event in class 8. Until then, this studious boy was interested in karate, dancing, and many more things. But now his sole purpose in life became to prove to his father that he too can speak publicly, rather excel at public speaking. This guy in the story is me in front of you, who undoubtedly has achieved a lot in a short lifespan, cracking and topping the toughest medical exams, winning medals in dancing competitions and sports, but still unsatisfied. Since that event, I have spent all my pocket money to just upskill my communication. I've served as a helping hand to various famous speakers, be it online, offline, or even backstage, just to get closer to get their mentorship and guidance. In the meantime, I accepted every speaking opportunity, be it small or big. At times, in one-to-one sessions, people have found me gesticulating as if I'm talking to a large audience. Thank you. This no less painful journey in self-education in communication has continued for the last 12 years, and today I have made myself known in various elite communities and the general public at large just through my public speaking skills and communication. If my financial conditions of the time and demoralizing words of my ideal could not stop me, then what's stopping you, my dear friend?